Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef liver curry. Start with the foundational steps for a delicious beef liver curry. First, ensure your beef liver is meticulously cleaned under cold water, removing any membranes. Then, slice it into uniform 1-inch pieces. Marinate these pieces with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for about 15 minutes. This preparation is crucial for a rich and aromatic dish. Now, let's build the aromatic foundation for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes beautifully golden brown, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add whole spices such as 2 green cardamom pods and a 1-inch cinnamon stick. It's time to bring all the flavors together. Add the marinated beef liver to the pan and sear it for about 5 minutes, ensuring a nice color develops. Then, incorporate 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, cooking until they soften and release their juices. Pour in 1 cup of water or coconut milk, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat. Simmer the curry for 20 minutes, allowing the liver to cook through. We're almost there. For the final touch, stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, which will enhance the overall aroma and depth of flavor. Garnish generously with a handful of freshly chopped cilantro leaves, adding a vibrant freshness. Serve your delicious beef liver curry hot, alongside steamed rice, naan bread, or roti. This rich and nutritious dish is perfect for any meal, offering a satisfying culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.